Struggling with dust and dirt everywhere?
She's got the moves.
This handheld vacuum cleaner comes with powerful suction to clean your car and home in seconds.
Alexandra Gold. She cheers her team to victory. She's talented, that's easy to see.
Lightweight, cordless, and easy to carry.
Alexandra's such a wonderful girl. She brightens up everybody's world. And on the tennis court, Alexandra can't be beat. Just watching her
Say goodbye to messy
play is
spaces and hello to
always
spotless
such a
cleaning.
treat.